Hey kiddies, welcome back to my channel. So my wigs have finally arrived for my first wig. So yes, you guys know this new trend going on, this headband wig, and of course I had to join the bandwagon. So I got two for my first wig. These are the headbands that came with it. No, this is bags I had to order separately. They charged me like $5 each for these headbands. I'm gonna show you where to get some cheaper headbands. They also came with this wig kit. They came with a comb, some clips, and some crocodile clips. I love this comb. And this is my first wig. I got a 12-inch Yaki natural hair color. Came with some head what is this thing called? The stocking caps. Yeah. So it's like a Yaki texture. So sis, this looks like my real hair. Like, you're not telling me nothing. This is my real hair. Okay, this is how the inside looks. It has combs, has the adjustable strap, the headband. I got a small size. This I believe is 21.5 to 22 because I have a tiny little head, and it fits me perfectly. Like, I didn't even have to stretch the adjustable bands. And I also got a curly unit, but I'm not opening that. They overcharged me for that, so I'm gonna return it. So this is the one I'm gonna be wearing that I'm keeping. That's the price for a 10-inch, but I got a 12-inch, so it was additional money. But you see how this has the headband color and they charge you like $5 to $10 plus? Like, that was ridiculous. And they had like this $30 off sale, but I still felt like I paid too much, and I'm kind of disappointed. So yeah, I got a 12-inch, so it was plus $14, so it came up to $122 supposedly. But yeah, so let's get this started. I'm in a rush and I'm excited to try on this wig because, you know, I just need my hair done. So we're gonna just straighten this bad boy straight out the package and see what we're working with. This comb is so bomb, and this is my first wig on it. The hair feels so good. Oh my gosh, this low luster looks so natural. There's no shedding. I wore it all day today, so this is I'm talking from my daily experience. Like, it feels so good. It didn't tangle. It didn't do any of that. Like, maybe that's why it's so expensive, because the hair is really good quality. But I digress. It was just like, as soon as I ordered it, then it was like a Chinese holiday, so it took like 2 weeks and change to come. I was so upset. Like, they could have told me it was a holiday before I pressed send. Like, they're gonna tell me that afterwards. But then it's like I just started seeing more YouTube videos, and every company have them now and for cheaper. So I'm just like, I could have saved my money. So I got this in the curly wig, and it came up to $362. Like, they charged me, the curly wig is only a 16-inch, and they charged me like $250 or something like that. And I didn't realize that. Like, this is why I need to stop rushing, because I was buying it in a rush, and I'm like, why did I pay so much money for 2 wigs? And then I just seen another girl, she got another wig, and she only paid like $115. So yeah, anyway, back to this wig. So I'm still using my Eep Heat flat iron on 450. Like, it's straightening with ease. It's not giving me any problem. I didn't put any product in it. You know, it's supposed to be like a bob style. I love short hair on me, so this was perfect. I would recommend this wig though, definitely. So let's put this bad boy on. I already had braids in, and I wasn't taking it out, so I'm leaving my braids in. I'm probably putting it up much higher than most people. I know people have their hair slicked in a ponytail and they push it back, but I don't really care. So this worked for me. The headband part. And then you just attach the Velcro in the back. Bada boom, bada bing. And just fix the headband. My hairline is so low, so I'm flipping that back so my little edges could show. So I was a little confused here. Like, the hair looks uneven, so I'm not sure if this is like an asymmetrical cut or just because the top is flipped over, so one side looks a little longer. I was really confused, but it looks cute, so I don't care. But I don't know if it's a cutting issue or I still gotta play with it some more. So let's get into these headbands. I sell these headbands on my website, prettymisses.com. These are the new popular bejeweled, dazzling diamond headbands that's out. So I'm showing you how you can wear these with your new wig, your headband wig. And now I'm about to try on the headbands that I bought from my first wig. So the first one is the cheetah one. This one is so cute. I'm happy I spent my $5+ for this one headband. It's really cute. And it's great material. It's actually quite wide, so it covers the black headband. I just have to fix it. You know, I'm rushing here, so you're just gonna see what you see right now, but eventually I fixed everything. This hair feels so good. Let me fix this real quick. Cover that up. But yeah, the cheetah one is a plus for me. And I'm gonna show you where I get all these headbands from. Yep. Don't let these companies fool you, make you think you have to pay $5 a headband. I got this whole pack from Amazon for like $10. Yes, and it's like, I'm pretty sure there's more. I'm pretty sure I lost them, but there's like 10 of them in there. And the fun fact, I was actually wearing my hair like this all quarantine. Like, I had a little clip-ins and I had a flip over wig, and I was just wearing headbands in front of it because I wasn't doing my hair during quarantine. And now all of a sudden the headband wig is in style. Yeah, go to Amazon and get a whole pack of these headbands. And I'm gonna show you exactly how. This hair, it feels so good. See, there's no shedding. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Okay, so when you go to Amazon, you type in boho headbands, boom, 12 for $9.99, a 5-pack for $10. Like, come on, save your money, sis. And this is how the diamond one looks. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.